Hey everybody, and welcome to Plastic Nostalgic, where all toys are nostalgic. Eventually. Now today we're going on another hunt for that super mega awesome rare gold figure in the Million Warriors from Spin Master. The mega awesome rare might be in this one, or it might be in one of the several other Million Warrior packaging I plan to open up today and check out. Today I'm going to start my search for the mega awesome rare with this 20 Warriors pack of the Million Warriors from Spin Master. This set also comes with another launcher, so now I'll have two of them, as long as I can get it put together right. Here's what the Golden Warrior looks like. And hopefully it'll be on the inside of this package. So to start off, let's get these packages out. I have another 5 packages of the 10 count Warriors, and I will open all 70 of them and check out how many extras I got that I don't have. Okay, we got an extra launcher that is actually a different launcher than the previous one I got. This one is brown. There is a Million Warrior figure in here. Try to get him out of here very carefully without cutting him or myself. This is one I've had before. I don't recall his name right off the bat, but we'll see in just a little bit. And here is that extra long strip of Million Warriors from the 20 pack piece. And here is that awesome insert. It has a visual checklist of all the Million Warriors and game instructions. Seem pretty cool. Let's get this, see if we can stick it together real quick. This slides right in here. A little further than that. There we go. And here is the launcher. This looks like it's an Ancients launcher because it has bones and spiky teeth, and it's made out of what looks like wood. It is one of the 3 launchers on the package there. We have the yellow one already with the tank treads and the drill, and now we have the one with the skull on it. Neato. You don't want to fling it too hard because those Million Warriors will be right across the room. So let's set our trash out of the way and check out these Million Warriors. You can see here where it was torn from the gold. Not this one, obviously. Okay. There's 1. 2. 3. That's another Ancient. 4. These are all looking pretty familiar to me. 5. Oh, there's one I haven't had. 6. 7. 8. 9. Pretty wild looking one. 10. These are all the common ones. Wow, that looks like a wild one. 11. And all of the common ones have a little 1 on the back, which not only denotes its common status, but plays a role in the game played with the launchers. I haven't spent a lot of time flinging them around with the launcher so far. Just a little bit to know that you got to be very careful about how hard you pull that launcher back. Okay, that's all of the common ones, including the one from the package outside, and that leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 special ones, which you either can be, what's it, uncommon, rare, and super rare, and possibly that super mega awesome gold warrior we're looking for. Here is a 5. Now the 5s are usually the uncommon ones. There's common, uncommon, rare, and super rare. And we'll check out exactly what it is after we get them all out, separating any extras we have. Oh, this one has a 10 on his back. Oh, missed one. Wow, I don't think I have this one yet. He has a 5. Let's see what this one is. 3-eyed fella. And he has a 10 on his back. Nice. Now let's see what one we get in the last one. Wow, now that's a sparkly looking sumo warrior. And he has a 50 on his back. That is all 20 out of the 20 pack. But that's not all, folks. In addition to those 20 and this in the launcher pack, we have these 5 to open. So let's do a quick cut and pull these out of the package. And here we have it. 5 packages of the 10 pack Million Warriors from Spin Masters. So let's dig into these things and save the gold ones for last. I'm sure we're going to get some extras this time. There's 1, 2 common ones. Two more common ones. Couple more. Saving these special ones for last. We'll take a closer look at these guys after I get them all out. Yeah, that almost looks like Ant-Man. There's a big-headed one. Another one of those ancients that it's a Viking of some sort. I got another multi-armed fella. Wow. Got a couple of those guys with the bunches of arms. They're heavy little figures. Another sumo looking guy there. There's a couple of them there. One of those mean tiki mask looking fellows. These fellas sure are colorful. I'll tell you what, they're a lot more colorful than the muscle men we used to play with that were little wrestling guys when I was a kid. They would come in little packages. I might try to get some of those and do an unboxing of some muscle men and do a little comparison of what I have so far. The difference with the muscle men is even though they came in a multi-pack, you could still see through the packaging what you were getting. These Million Warriors, they're all blind packaged, so it makes it kind of like a little gamble, and which can be fun and slightly addicting. But they are still fun toys which to do some imagining with. Oh, look at that. Got two of those guys. But that's okay. There's a million of them. Not really, but there sure are a bunch of them. That's another one of the gold ones. I believe that one was in the Heroes. The hero class of wrestlers were always more human looking, I guess you could say. There's a creepy alien. I'm pretty sure I unboxed this one on one of my previous Million Warrior videos. I am making a heap of trash here, that's for sure. Wow. Running out of room here with all these creepy Million Warriors creatures. Only a few more to open. Before I start opening the rare and uncommon ones and super rare ones. Scary looking monsters all around. There's another regular looking dude. Kind of. Wow, he's a creep. There's the gold one. And the last of the common figures. Triangle-headed one-eye guy. And another hat guy. Angry old dude with the hat. And since that's the last of our common ones, let's start with this one to see if we can find that mega awesome rare Million Warrior. Oh wow, he's a super rare with a 50 on his back. He's a pretty spooky looking dude. Let's see this one here. This one is a 5, so he's uncommon. Here's one that's kind of translucent. Looks like a pharaoh of some sort. He is also an uncommon. Wow, here's another translucent one with a triangle head and a big scary mouth. No mega awesome warrior yet. Here's another uncommon made with that translucent looking plastic. One, two, three, four, 5 more to go. Will we find that mega awesome rare? Well, not in this pack. This is another clear plastic uncommon. And in this one we have another uncommon football player looking fellow, which just happens to match the one we just opened. How weird is that? And we just opened this one too. The super rare. Have 2 of those fellows. Have to check out and see which one that is. And we got another one of these guys with the yellow fist. Uncommon. What are the odds? And the last special rare or uncommon or super rare. And we're going to hope it's the mega awesome rare. Let's rip it open and find out. And it is not. I should have guessed it would be another one of those guys. But that's okay. More points for the game. The only 2 uncommon we didn't get extras of, I actually know that I have these open from another video. So let me take a look at all of these names, get all of them separated, and see what we got with our new 70 count Million Warrior haul. And see how many out of 70 that I already have and don't already have. Starting us off of our Million Warriors is the Astro Class figures, in which we have the rare Billy Bob Bruce, followed by Angry Allen and Slimo. Both are uncommon. And then we have a bunch of uncommons. We have Alien Girl, Puff Pants, Woblo, Flatulous Maximus, 8 Eyes, Gray Man, Greenfly, followed by Ermagerd, Rip Jacket, Octo Crusher, Uh-oh. And last but not least, we have Boxer. And that is all of the single Astral figures I had, with a few extras, including Ermagerd, Rip Jacket, Octocrusher, Uh-Oh, Boxer, and Alien Girl. So those are my Astral figures I got in this 70 Million Warriors opening. Now let's move on to the Ancients. For the Ancient set of the Million Warriors from Spin Masters, we have the uncommon Cleopatra, the uncommon Fireface, followed by the the rare Frosty Frank, and the super rare Amazator. Now the rest we have are all commons, which include Stu Strong, Fang, Cobalt Giuliano, and Jolted Giuliano. Magenta, and there's Sir Flame, who came on the outside of the 20 figure package. Then we have Sir Knight, followed by Beardy McBeardall and Mrs. Mummy Girl. And then we have Fungus Beard and Ivan the Raider. And we had a couple of those, Fungus Beard and 3 Ivan Raiders, 3 Stu Strongs, and a couple of Fangs and Cobalt Giulianos. But that completes the Ancients set. Now let's move on to the Heroes. I found several Heroes figures, including the uncommon Mr. Chin, Basher, Bull Snout, and the super rare Gargantuan Geisha, who has a translucent plastic and glitter on him. From the uncommons, we have Cowbell Bill, followed by the Princess Warrior. There's Skyhawk, Ferocious Farmer Fred, Bareback, and the Prom Queen. Also, we have the Smiley, the Philly Funhouse, Mr. Serious, Cool Guy Larry, the Masked Marksman, and this really interesting looking guy, Slitherman. And that completes the Heroes. Now we got a few extra in these two, but we did get a whole pile of them that weren't the same. Now with each Million Warriors set from Spin Master, there comes this very tiny checklist of all the warriors available in this line particularly. But on the back, it has instructions for gameplay. So you can use your Million Warriors catapult. Now, I believe this one, like I said earlier, is the Ancients one because it has the skull, the fangs, and it looks like it's made out of wood. It just fits that theme the best, I believe. So if you want to play, there's multiple ways to play. To win, you just have to leave the most warriors standing. So you stack up warriors on opposite sides of the table and use the launcher to take turns knocking the hordes down. Each player gets 3 turns, and it takes about 10 minutes to play, I guess, because it takes a long time to set them all standing up and find them once you knock them all down. But the person with the most figures still standing up wins. Now in a more advanced play, You go by points. So the most points left standing wins. So if you have a rare and 2 commons, that equals 12 points. If you have a rare and 1 uncommon, that only equals 6 points. So in this example match, the person with 3 would win, but because of the 12 score versus the 2, which only had a 6 score. Now this looks like it would be a lot of fun to play with those Million Warriors launchers, but you really have to be careful and keep an eye on where they go and make sure they don't go in your eye. Thanks for joining us today on Plastic Nostalgic, where all toys are nostalgic. Eventually. And if you want to see some more unboxing of some nostalgic or soon-to-be nostalgic toys, be sure to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See y'all next time.